What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we back at it, guys. Class is in session. You guys know it's the weekend, which means I like to spend the majority of our time teaching. So today, we're going to still focus on pattern recognition, okay? And today, we're going to do another exercise with you guys spotting and identifying the bear flag, okay? Stay tuned. Keep it like I got a jam-packed video for you. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have this pulled up here. I drew this design so you guys could see a quick glimpse of what a bear flag is. Okay, it's a upside down flag, a flag that is headed to the downside. However you want to determine what it looks like for yourself, guys, but nevertheless, it is a bearish pattern within a chart structure that indicates that a stock is going to go down. But you have to let the sideways trading, or aka the chop, you have to let that play itself out, run its course before the move down. So oftentimes I talk about the importance of not front running plays. Don't try to jump the gun, don't predict, react. Okay, don't guess, don't gamble, but more importantly, react. All right, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I have this pulled up here, and this is Apple on the 2-minute chart, ticker symbol AAPL. Okay, and right now, as the 2-minute chart is pulled up, I want to focus on a portion of this chart. This is not the entire chart. This is a portion of the chart that I want you guys to take 5 seconds to see if you can identify a bear flag within this particular portion of the chart that I'm sharing. Take 5 seconds to see, did you see it? Do you see it? Okay. The quicker, the faster, the better you recognize these patterns on your journey, guys, the more you will see how these plays begin to unfold and how the money is in the charts. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm pulling this up and you are going to see me draw this out for you, starting right here with Apple. Okay, check out this flag right here. I want you guys to spot this as I draw it out. Okay, you see this move down. So typically you're going to have these moves down like this. It comes, but long story short, guys, it makes this flag pattern down. As you see here, I'm trying to draw this black line, thicken it so you guys can see the flag. It's an upside down flag when it's a bear flag. Okay, and so you have the chop once again. Okay, let me know if you guys were able to identify that, because sometimes the chop can either be untradeable, it can burn your premium, and it can throw you off. Okay, you don't know, you start thinking, oh, this may break to the upside. Okay, when it's a bear flag at the end of the chop, typically you get this move down right here. Okay, and this bottom move is your target. All right, and oftentimes I get asked the question, Chris, when should I get out my trade? Okay, the target equals take profits. Okay, you want to take profits here because the move is now over. The downside bear play, a put, whatever you want to call it, is now finished after this. Because look, after the bear flag completes and runs its course, guys, look, it's off to the races, shooting back to the upside. Okay, and so you don't want to be holding and neglecting locking in profits, overstaying your welcome. So this is where we talk about the importance of getting in and getting out and not overstaying your welcome. After you've made your money on that drop, okay, then you want to lock in profits right there. For some of you guys, it may look more like a scalping opportunity, which we call being a sniper. Okay, that is called sniper mode over here. All right, so we stay in sniper mode because we're in and out. We're looking for high probability setups, and then when we see it, we are taking full advantage of it and striking right away. Okay, but this bear flag right here on Apple set itself up perfectly. But one thing, after it hits its target, guys, these plays don't linger around. They hit the specific target. Sometimes it's a support level, okay? Sometimes it's a level on the Fibonacci retracement, whether it's the 0.38, the 0.50, the 0.61. And then, guys, it's back off to the races. Okay, so this is also, I get the question, Chris, when should I take profits? Okay, you should take profits, especially once you start to identify these setups, once the setup has ran its course. Okay, because oftentimes, no matter if I show you guys a bear flag or a bull flag or a double top or a double bottom, once they run and hit their target, guys, then they're reversing and going back in the opposite direction. You don't want to give back your gains. You don't want to find yourself turning a winner into a loser, especially after we put in all this work. Okay, so back to the charts, guys. You have what we have called here a bear flag, and that was here on Apple that we demonstrated that for you. Okay, and so guys, get in the habit of identifying these so that you can see for yourself exactly the opportunities within the charts. Okay, with that being said, guys, I'm going to give you a really quick precursor to what you have when you see a bull flag developing. Okay, and I want you to look at the charts to see some areas to the upside where you might see the bull flag beginning to form, because as we transition from the bear flag, we're going to transition to the bull flag, because that is what I want you guys to also use to your advantage when stocks are making this move to the upside. And how do you know a stock is going to continue to go higher? You will see it form a bull flag in that particular case. Okay, so guys, do me a favor, take a peek at the chart here. Let me know if you see anything that stands out to you, because right now I'll go ahead and point it out to you. Let me move this move right here. Okay, look at what you see here, guys. Okay, after the bull flag was formed, look at what gets formed here. Okay, this was a minor bull flag right here before it chopped up, made another flag here, and then you had this big explosion. Okay, guys, you would take profits right here. All right, if you was planning this move. All right, so again, just wanted to sprinkle that in there, because there's a game within a game that I want you guys to start identifying that takes place in the stock market every single day. Okay, a lot of times there's going to be some stagnation, some consolidation. You're going to have a lot of sideways chop. Then you'll have stocks break out. That means to the upside, or you have them break down. Okay, that means to the downside. Okay, and so you want to be on the side of playing those moves consistently, because that is where the money is made, and you want to manage your risk and at all costs avoid the chop, especially until I show you guys how to make money off of the chop. Okay, but until then, just avoid it, because typically it burns your premium. And then before you know it, a winning play either has a lukewarm victory, or you may still find yourself down even when the strong move is made. Okay, so I just wanted to put that on you guys today. Quick lesson on a bear flag that I wanted to show you with Apple, but I also wanted you to see the bull flag begin to emerge right within the same setup. Okay, and this is called the game within a game. Okay, you have the macro level game. We're in the macro level indicates right now that we are in a downtrend, recession / bear market. Those are the things we're in this year. So all of these pump fakes, all these stocks going up just to come down, because we're in a macro level downtrend. But within that, you're going to have some micro setups. Okay, you're going to see some double bottoms on a smaller scale. You're going to see some double tops. You're going to see some bear flags, some bull flags. And those are happening all over the stock market. This is why we say, guys, there's a bull market somewhere. You can always make money in the stock market no matter the conditions. Okay, some people, again, and it's best for most, when you have a bull market, everybody can make money. Okay, but there's only a handful, select few that has mastered the game and understand how to make money in any market, especially a down market like we're experiencing this year. Hopefully these lessons are helping you on your journey. Hopefully these lessons are things you can add to your toolbox, you can add to your arsenal, and begin to establish consistent victories in your trading. Okay, listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.